Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Parks, and behind me is a brand new Chrysler Voyager first call vehicle. Black on black, currently has no strobes in the front grille. We can easily add those, either purple, white, or amber. We can also do red too if you're feeling jazzy. Front wheel drive, 18-inch painted silver wheels here. Once again, black on black, does have our chrome package on it, so BNC pillar chrome here, and the removable landau bars here. So they're painted to body match color, so black on black as well. Both of these panels on the left and right side, or drivers and passenger, do remove themselves off the window, so there's no modifications made to the window. There's a bracket here and a bracket here that hold it to the window glass. There is still window glass underneath, and this screw right here adhere it to the window. So if you do want to remove that or leave it with the landau bars, you can easily do so in less than 10 minutes for both sides. This van is fully powered here. Once again, brand new Chrysler Voyager. What's nice about the brand new Chrysler Voyagers is they come standard with leather seats versus the traditional cloth, so you get a free upgrade there. You also get a larger touchscreen, as you'll see in some of the photos. In here we have the folding casket floor we offer here at Parks Beer Sales. Center rollers, 8 rollers down the center. Your second row of seats is in the floor on stow and go. I'm stuttering with my words today, but they are leather stow and go seats on the second row here. Same with the third row as well. As you can see, fully powered everything. Powered number 2 doors, powered rear liftgate. I have it open at the moment just so you can see it. But here's your center rollers right here. Beer pins in the center as well. I do have cot cups available for this floor too if you're looking to run a cot, and I can always offset that cot to the right if you prefer that style. We can also do a bumper carpet that drapes over the rear bumper if you're looking to bump and run with the cot with a stretcher as well. Rear interior here is all black, matching that Alicante floor with chrome rollers and chrome trim. You do get some storage cubbies over here on the left side. That's where I tend to put the beer pins when they're not in use. Once again, everything on this vehicle is power. This is going to bring itself down after it stops beeping. You do get a backup camera and parking sensors on this vehicle, so it makes it nice and easy to be able to operate without really any training or any focus. As you can see, both number 2 doors are fully powered as well. This side is a mirror to the other side. This table does fold back on top of itself, so it does give you that full functionality of the second row of seats if you want to do that. Say if you need to move 4 people for a procession and you want to use this as a lead car or haul around flowers with a third pallbearer in here, you can easily do so. With one single person, you can flip this table right on the back of itself, as you'll see in the photos, and pop up those center leather seats. In the driver's compartment up here, once again, all leather, a nice upgrade over the previous year's cloth model. You do get a leather wrapped steering wheel as well. Heated seats for both the driver and the passenger, and a heated steering wheel. AM/FM radio, Sirius XM radio, and Bluetooth. You also get wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto built right into the larger touchscreen right there in the center of the dash. Leather wrap dash, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, so it'll accommodate any style driver you have. Plus you do have your power adjustable seats as well. Remote start on the key fob, along with all of your doors can be operated from this key fob, making it super easy. It is keyless entry, so this key fob can stay in your pocket the entire time. That way you're never locked out of the vehicle. Once again, this is a brand new Chrysler Voyager here, black on black, with all of our first call vehicle accessories except for strobes, and those can always be added at the time of sale. Give me a call, 800-229-5008. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next one.